Most people still share PDFs the same old way, but let's be honest, plain PDFs aren't very exciting anymore. They're static, less interactive, and don't leave a strong impression, especially if you're sharing a presentation, portfolio, magazine, report, or any professional document. Now imagine opening a PDF that feels like a real magazine. You can flip pages with realistic animations, hear page-turning sounds, zoom in smoothly, and even share it through a simple link or QR code. It instantly makes your content look far more premium and engaging. That's exactly what we're going to create in today's video. I'll show you how to convert any ordinary PDF into a professional digital flipbook using a single tool called FlipHTML5. We'll go through the complete process from uploading your PDF to customizing it, editing pages, sharing it online, and exporting it. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. First, open Google and search for FlipHTML5. Open the first website and sign in with your email account. After logging in, you'll be greeted with a clean and beginner-friendly dashboard. At the top, you'll find the Upload section where you can upload PDFs, Word documents, PowerPoint files, images, and several other file formats. You can even batch upload multiple files at once, create a brand new project from scratch, or generate an AI chat-enabled book. For this tutorial, we're going to create a professional flipbook from a PDF. You'll notice sections like templates, projects, brand, and static content. To begin, simply click Upload File and select your PDF. Within a few seconds, your document will be uploaded. You can also upload files directly from Google Drive by attaching the file link. Once the upload finishes, FlipHTML5 automatically converts your PDF into an interactive flipbook. Now let me compare the original PDF with the generated flipbook. As you can see, the pages flip just like a real book from either side. The animation feels incredibly smooth and professional, and the realistic page turn sound makes the entire experience much more immersive. Compared to a regular PDF, the difference is huge. Now that the basic flipbook has been created automatically, let's explore the customization options. You can change the book title, write a description, and assign labels like new, hot, featured, or leave it as none. These labels appear whenever your flipbook is displayed on the dashboard or explore page. You can also organize your content using tags. Inside the Customize section, you'll find categories such as design, theme, navigation, and My Design. Under basic settings, you can enable or disable mobile page shortcuts, upload your own logo, attach a website URL, adjust its size and position, and even upload a custom favicon. The background settings give you complete control over the appearance of your flipbook. You can choose from preset themes, gradients, or even upload your own background image while adjusting opacity and gradient angles. Next comes the page flip settings. Here you can choose different viewing styles like page flip, slide, switch, scroll, and even 3D flip. For example, selecting scroll mode transforms the flipbook into a smooth scrolling document. If you switch to switch mode, additional layout options become available. You can also preview how your flipbook appears on desktop, tablet, or mobile devices. There's also an option to change the page direction between horizontal and vertical. When using vertical mode, pages flip vertically with realistic animations and sound effects, giving the flipbook an even more polished appearance. Additional settings such as mouse wheel control, first page shortcuts, last page shortcuts, preloader options, display settings, Google integrations, and chat box support are also available. Moving over to themes, you'll find several built-in styles like refined, active, classic, clear, and many more. Applying a theme such as gorgeous instantly changes the entire appearance of your flipbook. Users can turn pages with a single click, double click for navigation, and zoom in or out whenever needed. You'll also find professionally designed layouts and presets that can completely transform your flipbook with just one click. The effects section lets you add attractive visual effects that improve the overall presentation. And if you click the three-dot menu, you can open the flipbook in full screen mode where everything looks even cleaner and more professional. Inside the navigation tab, you can customize the table of contents, bookmarks, and display language. The My Design section allows you to save or create your own custom layouts. Under branding, you can personalize logos and other brand-related elements. There's also a profile section where you can create an author profile. Simply upload your profile picture, enter your name and email, and optionally add your website, phone number, address, and a short description. You can also enable an Add Profile button for readers. Now let's look at the Share section. From here, you can instantly generate a shareable link so anyone can view your flipbook online. You can also download a QR code along with several other sharing options. If you own a website, embedding the flipbook is extremely easy. FlipHTML5 provides ready-to-use embed code for WordPress, Windows, and various other platforms. Inside the download section, you can export your project in multiple formats, including HTML, exe, Mac app, and high-quality PDF. Simply click download, and within a few seconds your file is ready. As you can see, our PDF has been exported successfully. The platform also includes a monetization section. Here you can display ad banners, connect Google AdSense using your client ID, sell your flipbooks online, or keep them completely free. For privacy, you can choose between public, private, password protected, or email verification access depending on who should be able to view your content. FlipHTML5 also provides built-in analytics where you can track views, reading duration, audience engagement, events, chat box activity, and even download detailed reports. Now let's move to one of the most powerful features, the page editor. Simply click editor to start modifying your flipbook. You can insert new blank pages and customize them using ready-made templates, themes, and a wide range of design elements. The editor lets you add text, images, maps, tables, buttons, icons, charts, and many other interactive components. Everything can be resized, repositioned, recolored, and customized exactly the way you want. You can also insert vector graphics, animated charts, stylish image frames, and interactive buttons. For media resources, FlipHTML5 integrates platforms like Pixabay and Pexels, making it easy to access high-quality images. You'll also find animated characters, decorative assets, and plenty of visual elements. Adding hyperlinks, uploading videos or images, and changing page backgrounds can all be done directly inside the editor. Another impressive feature is the built-in AI assistant. In FlipHTML5's AI assistant, users first select or enter the text, then click Fix Spelling and Grammar to have the AI correct the grammar. The corrections are user-initiated, not performed automatically. You can also upload your own media files and preview the entire flipbook at any time before publishing. Once you're satisfied with the edit, simply click Save. Your changes are stored automatically, and you can export the project whenever you're ready. Apart from creating flipbooks from uploading files, FlipHTML5 also provides an extensive template library covering brochures, magazines, catalogs, presentations, portfolios, reports, and more. You can filter templates by category, style, theme, or popularity, preview the page layouts before making a selection, and start editing with a single click. Once you open a template in the editor, you can replace the text, images, colors, and other design elements to match your own brand and content. Inside the project section, you can organize publications, books, and bookcases. The platform also allows you to create AI book chatbots, mini sites, and even convert Excel data into interactive digital catalogs. Within branding, you can configure custom domains, branded links, and other business settings. The dashboard also helps you monitor analytics, sales, and overall performance. Overall, FlipHTML5 is a feature-rich platform that makes it incredibly easy to turn ordinary documents into interactive, professional-looking digital flipbooks. If you'd like to try it yourself, I've added the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.